discussion purpose and for the benefit of viewers out there who is seeing this beautiful face for the first time, can you tell us your name? Let's have a brief introduction about yourself and what has really brought you down here today, ma'am.
My name is Omotola Rotimi. I'm a legal practitioner. I retired from Lagos State Ministry of Justice about 2 years ago. Yes, the reason why I'm here this morning is because, being a past director, Office of the Public Defender, Director, Citizens Mediation Center, and also I retired as the Administrator General and Public Trustee. I'm always very, very endeared to issues that relate to common man. And the topic today is the judiciary being the last hope of the common man. And my take is that yes, the judiciary, but then where does it start from? It starts from, especially when you are talking of common man, most of the time, you find out that the reason why they are in court is mostly because of criminal matters, and it starts with the police. So how does the police gather their information, gather evidence to ensure and quickly do the case file forward to the DPP's office to ensure that that common man on the street gets justice on time? You find out that there are lots of people in prison, incarcerated, because why they don't have a lawyer to represent them, because why they are waiting trial, because even their cases have not been, their matter, they don't even know whether they have a case to answer or not. The file is still with the police and it has not even reached the DPP's office, or is with the DPP's office, is being sent back to the police because of insufficient evidence before it now gets to the court. So you find out that there's a lot of long delay there. So that common man is already losing hope in prison, especially when they are wrongfully incarcerated, when their fundamental human rights has been violated. So how do they now get it? Yes, the Office of the Public Defender is there to help people like that. But then the point is that even when they still want to help, the case file is still with the police. So, and that's why even it is important that the police are here today, because it starts with the police. Whether it is civil matter or criminal matter, who investigates is the police. So it starts at the police station. Thank you.
Several discussions have spoken on the high table there. Do you want to agree with what Barrister Femi Adesina said?
I do agree.
Fund is one of the...
Yes, funding, yes, I agree. And it's not only the judiciary, and don't forget, it's not only judges. We should also remember the magistrates as well. Before the case goes to the High Court or to the Federal Court of Appeal, it starts with the magistrate court. So how about the magistrates? What are they doing about the magistrates as well? You increase the funding or the salaries of judges. How about the magistrates? I know magistrates that are retired are earning 27,000 naira as pension, 47,000 naira as pension. What is it? Including state council, because I also have to defend my territory. I used to be a state council as well. The state council are also working, because if they don't bring these cases to court, especially criminal cases, like I said, you see, there is little that even the judiciary can do, because why? They cannot manufacture evidence.
So, Mom, in a nutshell, and to round it up, man, do you agree that this conference, this lecture, this gathering is going to reshape the judicial sector? I
certainly agree, and I think it should even be done in a bigger forum than this, a bigger one that would entail all stakeholders. Like I said, the judiciary, the police, the lawyers in the Ministry of Justice, the private sector, even alternative dispute resolution that I said the other time. The world is going ADR. So how do we, as lawyers, assist and encourage ADR as well? Because with ADR, quick dispensation of justice, the matter is easily resolved. The poor man on the street gets justice without so much ado.
Well, I'm not going to let you go without...